Compression is low. Head gasket? Could be. Let's check the head. Right, might need a full rebuild. Here you are, the full amount. Thank you, lads. It's all here. A pleasure doing business. Likewise. All right, let's get her up. Steady on the winch. Looks good. Keep her straight. All secure. Rust is coming off clean? Good. I'll get the fender off. All right, let's blast this dirt off. Get that area on the door. All right, all sensors are unplugged, ready to lift. Looks good. On 3. Steady now, keep it level. That one's secure. How's the intake looking? Almost there. Pass me the 10 mil. That one's set. How's the alignment? Looks good. Rolling it on now. Keep it even. We need a perfect surface. Yes, checking for low spots. Good. Then primer.